Hi everyone, I'm Jay. ATS has a new enrollment process. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Receive the enrollment link. For ATS students, check your email for a link that asks you to reset your password. If it's not there, check your spam. Step 2. Access the student dashboard and click this purple rectangle. Step 3. Click Enroll Now. But check first if you already have the right program and student type. Step 4. Go to Course Enrollment to show the available courses you still need to take. For example, I chose Transformation Theology under Credit. After you select your subjects, click Enroll Selected Courses. Step 5 is Academic Advising. Your advisor will set a schedule to meet you. You just have to confirm so you can talk about your classes and get their approval. Step 6 is Care Group Selection. Choose your preferred care group and click Apply. The final step 7 is Enrollment Billing. Your dashboard will show your billing details, and you have to wait until the admin gives you the green light to send your proof of payment through this blue rectangle. Fill in the details and click Submit. At this point, you're all done. You can now check your schedule at the left bar under Class Schedule. If you need help enrolling, you can either email enrollment@ats.ph or visit us here in Scout Madrinian.